Hey, welcome back for another video. We've got a Dodge or a Ram, I don't know what you call them these days, but we got a truck in the garage. We've got currently 35% on the front two windows, and actually the guy wants to go darker, so we're gonna peel that off, clean it up, and go to 20%. And then we're also working on the tail lights, so I'm putting some more vinyl. I've actually already jumped into one of them, so I've got one done. Really the objective was we were looking to match the third brake light. So he purchased a LED third brake light, and it was already smoked, and then had tails that were just clear and LED. He says they're super bright, and he just liked the cosmetic look to get these to match the third brake light. So I've already gone ahead and done one of them. I've got that done here. So this is kind of what we're looking at here. Yeah, I think that we went with the dark Luxe Auto Concepts vinyl. Appears like it should match pretty darn well, and turned out really good, so I'm happy with that. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna set the video camera up over here. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the other one, and we'll watch that one go down. it is. We got the driver's side light done now. Both lights are complete with the vinyl. Going with that dark, like I said, that looks pretty dang good. I'm happy with that. Nice thing is on these taillights here for the Ram Dodge. This is an 04, I mean, obviously it was a Dodge at that point in time, but anyway, these lights are super straightforward. Really, I just kind of tie it in, lock it along the side of the tailgate here. As you saw, I just pulled some tension on that a little bit, heated up, got it really nice, loose, and ready to go, and straight across. Nothing really crazy you have to try to dodge or weave. No sharp angles, or some lights have like a recess or a top edge that you have to kind of get creative with. Make sure you have enough horizontal pull on that when you round the corner. But these here are straightforward. The vinyl is really easy to work with. I'm super happy with it. I think he will be too. So in the next video, we're gonna tackle the driver and passenger front doors. We're gonna clean up the old tint first. Try not to keep that too boring, but just basically peel the tint, scrape the adhesive. I'll pull the door panels first so I make sure there's nothing below that gasket that needs to be hit. But we'll save that for the next video. We'll see you there. Thanks for watching.